What's going on, everyone? Got a 2020 Toyota Avalon. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of the key fob. You have this sliding button here. Pull it over to the right. Okay, that's with the remote facing down, and then you can pull the emergency key out. Okay, now once you have it out, if you look inside of here, there's two slots. There's this one that the emergency key went in, and there's another slot here, right here. Okay, you can see that slot. Now we're going to stick the screwdriver in that slot. It's not going to go very far in, and we're just going to turn the screwdriver clockwise. All right, and see how it split the remote open. Let me just get it. Take it off like this. That's the back half. Now we're going to want to hold it like this. This is the part with the buttons right here. Okay, I want to hold it like that because all this can come falling out. The buttons can actually come falling out. And if you notice that there's a slot right here, just perfect for this screwdriver. I'm just going to pry this battery out. I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 with the positive sign facing towards us. Let me just pop the new one in here. It's going to slide in first, and then slap it in there just like that. Okay, you need a battery, check the description box. It's gonna have the part number, and I'll provide a link there to take you to Amazon where you can buy a new battery if you need one. You just get the back half of the remote, snap it back together, and get the emergency key, and if it slides in and locks, you're all done. All right, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.